GMO Online Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on this show. Viewer discretion advised.
These people, opportunists, abayita Muhoozi, bo katibete n'abalala bagenda. Okay. Oba naye w'amaanyi Katonda abeera mu bano. Mbagula ne mbagamba nti engegenge ale succession is wrong.
I see.
Succession can turn apart this country.
I see.
Succession, people will start dividing themselves. Neka na akasajja waliwo ne bannako bekolina bempulira natandise TV egindi yakolera Muhoozi campaign nakoze ki for how long? How long are you going to campaign for Muhoozi? How much money do you have at your disposal? Need the same. Nange nina amagezi agange soyinza kukunzikiriza toyinza kuŋŋamba nti gwe okulanika kufuuka president nti nze nange malaga mantaala. No. Politics is based on partnership and mutual respect.
I see.
What do how will I benefit from your presidency? Ne bw'alivuganya n'ekidomola nja kubwagira kidomola. Yes, they cannot support his projects. Inciting something they cannot follow me. I'm a fighter. Let them kill me. Every maggot will be paid for, and we shall never reconcile. For seven provides security for me, they wanted to assassinate me. But you group we have, and I have evidence. I have evidence. Nti abantu abalowozeddwa tebagenda kusikira abakulembeze tebatuuseeyo.